After eating this plant for a week, I went to the doctor and my results were amazing. Here are chayote's top 10 health benefits. 1. Combat cholesterol. Its soluble fibers content make it one of the best allies to fight bad cholesterol, properly cleaning the bloodstream. 2. Prevent cancer. This is not so widely known, but chayote can help you prevent and treat cancer. As it abounds in antioxidants, it successfully fights the free radicals in your body responsible for tumors' growth. 3. Improve bowel function. The good functioning of our intestines can be achieved if chayote is consumed regularly. It helps with bowel irritation, infections, and constipation. 4. Helps you lose weight. Due to its low calories, it is ideal for weight loss. 5. Fight hypertension. Being rich in potassium, it helps to regulate our blood pressure. 6. Prevent stroke. Coagulation episodes can be avoided thanks to the chayote. If consumed regularly, it can help in the treatment of all sorts of problems involving the circulatory system. 7. Prevent and fight diabetes. It helps regulate the levels of glucose in the blood, absorbs the sugar and prevents its accumulation in our body. 8. Prevent and treat anemia. It's rich in vitamin B2 and iron, which are essential for fighting anemia, as they promote the production of red blood cells. 9. Provide energy to the body. Due to its manganese content, it is a very good source of energy. 10. Rejuvenate the skin. Due to its richness in folic acid, zinc, and vitamins C and E, it gives your skin a healthy glow and improves its quality, much better than any anti-aging cream you can buy. Start introducing chayote in your daily diet and start living healthier. In nature, there are many ingredients that can be beneficial to our health. Natural remedies are much better than any medication that we can find in a pharmacy and can help us live a longer and healthier life. If you suffer from a disease, or, on the contrary, you lead a somewhat healthy life, but you want to prevent diseases before they appear, with the use of natural ingredients it is possible to slow down the effect of the diseases in your body as well as the appearance of them. That is why it is very important to know what natural elements will provide the best health benefits to your body. This is something that few truly know, and that is essential to consider if you want to live a healthy life. Health benefits of chayote. You can live a healthy long life without spending thousands of dollars on expensive remedies and supplements. You can use nature and everything it has to offer to promote your health and prevent and cure all ailments. Today, we've decided to talk about one plant that's widely underrated but has immense health benefits. We want to talk about the chayote, a legume with incredible properties that can improve and promote your overall health if consumed on a regular basis. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.